1. Knowing Gurudev. Reading. Here is a short biography of Rabindranath Tagore. Read to know about this world-famous poet. Rabindranath was born on 9th May 1861 in Bengal. His father, Maharishi Devendranath Tagore, was a rich man and his mother was Sharda Devi. He was the 14th child of his parents. Rabindranath Tagore was not sent to any school. A tutor taught him at home. Rabindranath was not happy to learn things within the four walls. He was a curious and creative child. Even as a boy, he felt that nature is a mystery and he should learn about the secrets of nature through education. Though he learned things at home, he studied many subjects and there was a method in his studies. He would get up early. After physical exercises, he studied mathematics, history, geography, Bengali, and Sanskrit. In the afternoon, he learnt drawing, English, and played games. On Sundays, he learnt music and conducted experiments in science. He liked reading plays. He was happy to read plays of Kalidas and Shakespeare. He had a special interest in Bengali, his mother tongue. Then his parents sent him to a public school in London. There he became a student of Professor Henry Morley. His professor's lectures influenced Rabindranath to study English literature. Rabindranath developed interest in English culture, traditions, and literature. While he was in England, he wrote a poem, Broken Heart. After 18 months in England, he returned to India without taking any degree. Rabindranath started writing poetry in Bengali. This poem, Sandhya Geet, became very popular. Shri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, who wrote the national song Vande Mataram, appreciated that poem. He later wrote in Bengali a number of devotional songs, Nivgarer, Prabhat Sangeet, etc. Gitanjali is well-known collection of his poems. Gitanjali contains his noble thoughts like love, satisfaction, dignity of labor pessimism, etc. For his book Gitanjali, Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize and the British government conferred on his knighthood and gave him the title of Sir. He had great interest in Indian culture, music and dance. He was a good singer and he composed a new form of music called Rabindra Sangeet. He had special interest in Kathak and Bali dances. He wrote a number of plays. Some of them are Valmiki Pratibha, Post Office, Nature's Revenge, Katha Devayayam, Sardotsav, Muktadara, Nater Puja, Gora, etc. Gora deals with the theme of friendshipment, two persons of different religions. Rabindranath started a school near Kolkata. He named it Shanti Niketan. That school developed into a university. Students come to Shanti Niketan from different countries. It specializes in arts, crafts, music and dance. He established Vishwabharati University near Shanti Niketan in 1921. It is now a university run by the central government. Rabindranath Tagore was also a very good artist. He started to learn painting at the age of 60. He drew more than 2,000 pictures and they were exhibited in many countries. He also traveled extensively throughout the world. What makes Rabindranath Tagore special for Indians is Jana Gana Mana, and it is a national anthem. Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru had the greatest respect for Rabindranath Tagore. Though Tagore did not participate in politics actively, he was a great nationalist. His writings express his nationalistic ideas. For this, he got into trouble with the British rulers. He was a great philosopher and a teacher. People called him Gurudev. He died on August 7, 1941, leaving his ideas and thoughts for us to follow.